Today I'm going to show you how. Hey, welcome to today's tutorial. Hello and welcome to the next thing here is the text box. The text box allows you to place your text anywhere you want in your document. It is flexible, it is easy. You can even use it to write write a text on top of another object, be it image or just any shape. So we can click on the text box, then we type something, then we click and drag it to any position that you want to place it. That is the beauty of the text box. The text box also allows you to put an image inside. You can put an image inside the text box. While still clicking in the text box, you put an image inside the text box. See, it will take the size of the text box. If you can move the text box around, it gives you this kind of flexibility. If you want to remove the line around the text box, you just double click the text box and then it will come here. You can change the color, the fill color, that is the inside color, the outline color. You can come here and say no color to remove the color around the text box. Insert, quick paths, auto text, automatic text. You can come here and add document properties. Come here, just come here and add the address, Lagos, Nigeria. So this is it. Now another thing we can do here is word art. These are just fancy text. You click and then you type. You can use it for your header or just to beautify your document. So that's it. It comes inside. Now I want to touch on something else. If you look at newspapers, you will see that most times the first text is very big and it goes across maybe one or two lines. This is what they use. They call it drop cap. You can even see it from the picture what it does. So I'm going to select this text and click here and drop cap. So we're talking about. See, there's another one, but this is the most popular. This goes across 3 lines, so you can click here or you come here and say options. Under option you can say none. You can come here, you can decide the number of lines. You can make it 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So I'll make it 2. Click, see, So that is that. The last thing I want to talk about is the equation. Can come here under insert. These ones are fairly simple, so I'm going to leave them out. The equation, you can come here and build your equation under the insert menu. You click insert, you come to equations, and then you click bring in equations, then insert, you can bring in symbols, any symbol you need. Either you use this equation to build your equation, but if your equation is not listed here, you can go under more equation to search for whatever you are looking for, or you use your symbol here to build your own equation by just picking each object. Come here, and insert. See, so that's it for the insert menu. I thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, click the notification button so that you can get notice of my new tutorials, and watch out for the next tutorial on the design menu. The design menu is actually very short and straightforward, so I'm looking forward to seeing you. Thank you for watching once again.